Hi, it's Andre.mik here, and this is lesson 4 of my free vocal course How to Sing Basic Level. This video is the second part of the words level in singing. Today we will learn how to sing with breath support, sing short vocal exercises on different vowels, and sing an exercise to build a stable vocal position or vocal placement. Subscribe so you don't miss the next videos, or watch the previous lessons of the course if you haven't seen it yet. Let's go! We already know how to let air pass. Today we will learn how to add pressure to this airflow, so you can sing long phrases and high notes without getting tired. So what is breath support? Press your hand firmly to your mouth like this. And now try to blow out air in your hand. Did you feel your lower belly pulled in? That is your breath support. You just created air pressure with these muscles. In singing we do exactly the same, just without your hand. So how breath support works? On high notes we use more support. On low notes we use less support. In pauses we relax the belly so we don't get tired. Yes, even singers can relax sometimes. So why do we need breath support? We need breath support to move tension from the throat to the lower belly. If your throat gets tired while singing, your voice can get hoarse and recovery may take a long time. But if you support your voice in the lower belly, these muscles recover in seconds and you can sing again. Plus, over time their endurance increases. Believe me, your throat will thank you. Let's sing a vocal exercise on 4 notes. Remember to try to sing in head voice and use breath support. Lui, 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 lui. 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 Vocal position or vocal placement. When you sing, you probably imagine your voice somewhere, but you can clearly imagine where it is. This location of your voice is called your vocal position or vocal placement. Now let's sing an exercise on one note but on different vowels while keeping the same vocal position. We will sing a, e, I, o, u. So a, I, o, u. 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 Great job! In the next lesson, we will move to the third and the last part of the words level. We will learn what is forward and back sound and what is wide or concentrated sound. Sometimes it feels like the technique doesn't work, but very often the problem is one tiny detail, literally a millimeter. And that 1 millimeter can stop your progress. That's why if you want to learn singing faster and more efficiently, you can book a lesson with me or order a video review of your singing. All information is in the description and in the pinned comment. Subscribe so you don't miss next video of this free vocal course. I am Andre.mik. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye.